Sanibonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are speaking about the developments of the devastating news zokudlula emhlabeni kwenkosi yamagcokama, known as Sicebi Dlamini, known as Inkosi yamagcokama, oshone ngoLwesine ngo-August following ingozi yemoto eyenzeke laphaya eRichards Bay. But the time eyenzeka ke le accident into ephatha kabuhlungu abantu is the fact ukuthi his life was cut really short and he was still very young. uSicebe known as Inkosi yamagcokama wazalelwa eMsinga KwaZulu Natal, and he became one of the artists, associated with the new genre yamaskandi, those new songs. Umculo wakhe was very different to be combined driven sound and storytelling of a traditional maskandi, but with a softer modern vocal styles, hence umculo wakhe was trending on TikTok. He was speaking about heartbreak, struggles in life, kanjalo khulume nangothando. He wasn't simply singing though, uSicebe was telling stories when he writes in the studio, and that storytelling yona ke menza ukuthi waba ne-audience ebimthanda nebimlalela kakhulu. Uqale ukucula ka i-breakthrough yakhe wayithole around 2017 beka-release iculo lithi kungcono ngife, and naleli lithi asenzele bona, which became part of the music that helped ukuthi a-establish-ke music wakhe. Waphinda ke wakhipha-ke include le nethi Dear Diary, Ungixolele, Uyanyathela, Akuhlukaneki, National Anthem, Home Alone, and iyazenzakalila jali. Ikhathalekhe yakhe music nje igcwele kakhulu ku social media, ku Spotify, ku Deezer, ku Apple Music. Njengoba beshona ke nje ubeshona nje eseshilo ukuthi uzokhipha i-album manje ngo-2026 ethi Isiko Lethu, which some of the songs bese wareleasile ngo-2020 ngoJune, and njengamanje bekabhizi ke enza one man show akhe. Siyazi ukuthi abanye baze bawa-attenda lawa kade laphaya eCarnival City. One of his major moments kwayenzakala ngo-2023 lapho awina khona i-Best Maskandi category of the South African Traditional Music Awards, commonly known as AmaSATMAs. Album yakhe Home Alone was also nominated for Best Maskandi Album for 2023 South African Music Awards. He then later became more than just the Maskandi music, he became one of the faces of the new generation of the genre. In 2004, uSicebe spoke very passionate about the dream of having a one-man show. He was scheduled to perform at the Durban Playhouse for Inkosi yamagcokama live concert. He explained that he wanted to bring back the value of live maskandi music with the band. He also spoke about how performances by artists Shiva inspiring ngakhona. uSicebe vision yakhe was bigger than simply releasing songs. He was a maskandi artist, but he wanted to become more than that. He wanted to do big stages, he wanted to perform maskandi to another level, and he wanted the genre to reach beyond South Africa and beyond Abantu bamaZulu, and that's one of his legacies that he has left behind. So uSicebe, away from music, he was known to be a family man, and he spoke publicly about his parents. In 2003, waba neloss enzima kakhulu because his parents bobabili bashona. His mother uThulelephi Ngubane washona ngo-2001. Kwase kuthe ngo-2023 May, his father uMthetho Kayise Dlamini died suddenly at the age of 58. Inkosi yamagcokama spoke about how painful it was because both parents had died and suddenly he had hoped that his father would have lived long enough to witness more of his success in music, but then that loss clearly affected him deeply because after that he was never the same. As for his own kids and marital status, he ubesanda kushada nowesifazane nje osemncane, and they had one child, and there was promises ukuthi uzoshada umshado omkhulu after kade evelile kubo kwentombazane wahamba wayolobola. NgoLwesine ngeSunday ke ngo-9 August konke kwashintsha ke ukusho ukuthi omncane wesifazane uphenduke intandane and waphenduka umfelokazi. uScebo was traveling in Richards Bay, KwaZulu-Natal, and even imoto yakhe ke yangena kwi-accident serious wayehamba eyalapha ku-music ekuthiwa iBasati. I-crash yenzakala nje iceleni kwesibhedlela iMemorial lapha ya eLintuzeni eRichards Bay. According to i-Department of Transport bathi-ke uScebi wasafarisha ama-injuries nje amakhulu washonela khona lapha akabangesashonela khona ngisho esibhedlela. The police ke bathi-ke they are investigating ukuthi kwenzakalana because there were people on the other vehicle too. His family and his management confirmed that one of his stage crew members, Ugomu Gupta naye udlulile emhlabeni enuzongcwatshwa ngoLwesihlanu, and 2 other crew members were also injured but ke basasesibhedlela njengamanje. He was on his way to performance, and he died doing exactly what he wanted, and he died doing exactly what he loved. He died trying to build a legacy, and uKZN MEC for Transport ke usibonisa uDuma usemchaze nje ngomuntu obe available kwi-nation and valuable khona la kubantu base-KZN, and efisa ukuthi ngabe uScebi akahlulanga kulimndeni. Abaculi bamaskandi ke sebe-reacte ngeindlela ezihlukene, bayasho ukuthi no, he was not an insider. Abokhuzani abo Black Diamond sebefikile kanjalo, abacela abafana noNto Encane sebekhulumile ke bathi no, they abanawo umndeni and they are willing to assist la kufanele ba-assist khona, since ke ushone nje ekade esazama ukuthi akhumuzwa kubo nokuthi umuzi wakubo ke ongakaze uphele njengamanje. Kubuhlungu kubalandeli, kubuhlungu kubo bonke, but ke the final things that has been finalized is the fact ukuthi inkosi yamagcokama ke uzongcwatshwa ngawo loMgqibelo esiya kuwona esigodini saseMsinga. Umzimba wakhe usuthathiwe njengamanje bewususa lapha ya eRichards Bay bewisa khona eMsinga ukuze ukuthi bakazi asondele eduze kwamakhaza belungiselela wona ke umncwabo ozoba khona ke ngoMgqibelo. Abaculi ke bonke ke abalandeli bayamenywa ukuthi baphumelele, nomasipala uSobhizi uyalungisa. Rest in peace my guy.